What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video, taking a look at this kit that was sent out to me by the company called SUPCASE. So a big shout out to them for sending this over for a review. So within this box, there's going to be some cases for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and they also included me a t-shirt here. So a big shout out to them for sending this over. Let's take a look at the t-shirt first, and then we'll see what's in the box. So it's going to have their logo on here. That's a beetle, picture of a beetle. Nice black shirt. And let's see if there's anything on the back of it. Oh yeah, so it's going to have SUPCASE on the back of it as well. So I would definitely sport this t-shirt for real. So I'm going to put that over to the side. And then we'll take a look at the box. So on the box, you're going to have their logo, the beetle there. SUPCASE on the front of it. On the other side, SUPCASE. And SUPCASE all the way around. So that's the box. And let's go ahead and get into the box and see what's all included in here. Now, like I said, this is going to be cases for the upcoming S22 Ultra. We're also going to have a SUPCASE power adapter here. So that is cool. They sent me over a power adapter, and I'm trying to see the wattage on this. 18 watt max, that's what it's going to be. And let's go ahead and get this open, take a look at it. So I have ordered the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, pre-ordered, and I am anxious to get it in. Now I'm going to be trading in my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, and I'm getting a good price because I'm getting the tablet as well, the Ultra tablet as well, the big one, the 14.3 inch or whatever the size is. So here's the charger brick. So that's a nice look right there. Appreciate the SUPCASE. Let's see what else is in the box. So I'm not sure what this is. Made for iPhone, iPad, and iPod. So let's see what this is here. All right. Oh, so they sent me a nice cable here, charging cable. Let's get rid of the box. So here's the cable, very nice looking cable. Type-C to Type-C to Lightning, and a nice braided cable. You guys see here. And I like these style cables because they last a long time. You got some SUPCASE branding right there as well. Okay, next let's take a look at one of the cases here. So this is going to be the Edge Pro case for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now these cases have perfect grip, scratch resistant, shock resistant, Duralevel design, and accurate cutouts. So here's the front of it, unicorn beetle. Military drop tested as well. Like I said, I don't have a dummy on it, but we'll just take a quick look at the case, and I'll do some more follow-up on it when I do get my actual device. You're going to get your paperwork and stuff in here. And then here's the case. Let's take a look at it. Going to be a two-piece case. And I don't know if I've ever seen this style of case right here from SUPCASE. But here it is. Here's the back of it. Nice, clear, black. You're going to have a gray or silver color going around the outside of it, band going around it. There's your cutouts for your all your ports there. And then this side, you got your power, volume up and down. And then you got your camera cutout on the back. But what's unique about this one is just shaped at a oblong shape here, where a lot of the other cutouts are following the contour of the cameras. So here's the front piece. And this goes together just like this, guys. This piece will snap inside of that, just like that, if you had your phone in it. And that's how it will go. Now, you guys see, this has a plastic screen protector in there. And it does have a place here where you can put your finger or your thumb for your fingerprint as well. So this phone is going to be big, man. If you look at this case size in my hand, it is pretty big. But that is how you put the case together, just like that. I'm going to get it back apart here. right, so here's the front piece. Just a thin piece. You see your cutouts there. And like I said, there's a cutout up here for your camera up at the top and your fingerprints. So that is that case, which is called the Edge Pro. So we'll take a look at the rest of these cases. I'm not going to open them all up. I'll wait until I get the actual device. Now this is the Unicorn Beetle Pro series. These are drop tested, military drop tested as well. And they'll give you a sneak peek of the color on the back. This one is called Gluten, which looks like a green to me. So let's get into it and check it out. And like I said, I'm not going to open them all up. They're going to have the same design. They're all just going to be different colors. And I'll wait until I get my actual device. You're going to get your installation guide in here as well. And you get your holster and your case. So I'm not sure if this holster has a kickstand or not. But this is the holster. You got a little SUPCASE brand in there. This is going to rotate 360 degrees. That is the holster. And then here's the case. And that is a stunning, nice looking green color on there. You got your UB Pro brand in there. And this is your kickstand for your case. So you can set that up like that. Got your nice cutout for your camera on the back. You do have this carbon fiber look here. Some little feet on the back of it. So it's not going to be sitting on your case exactly when you have it there. Knife ridges going around the side of it. SUPCASE branding, volume up and down, power. Here's your cutout at the bottom for your S Pen. Forgot to show you that on the other one. You have a cover here, cover your charging port, keep dust out. And then at the top, got a microphone. Now this is a two-piece case and it tells you to separate it right here. This is a nice green and border going around the front piece. Let's go ahead and get this loose. Let you guys see what it looked like. So very easy to take apart, and this is the front frame. So here's the inside of it. This is all soft and rubbery, SUPCASE branding. That's the only piece that's kind of hard right there. But I've never had an issue with it scratching up my device or anything. So this is the Unicorn Beetle Pro. And that's the whole package together right there. All right, so I'll give you a sneak peek of the other ones. They are all going to be just like this case, but here's this is called Violet. So that's kind of like a purple color, as you guys see there. You're also going to have, this is one of the new ones. This is a clear one. I can't wait to show you guys this color, anticipating that color. And also the last one is the camo black. This one's hot as well. And that is the kit that they sent over for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. All right, guys, I'm Will. This is Will Gadgets and More. I'm out.